Hey guys, Trev here from Norwood Sawmills. I want to talk to you about tapered and flared cuts. This is a topic that seems to come up from time to time, and I think I know the reason for it for most guys. And what it is that when you're cutting, it's very important that whatever log you have positioned on the mill stays within a foot overhang on the bunk. If you're more than 1 foot over that bunk, you're gonna get wedges, you're gonna get flares, you're gonna get tapers in your cut. So I know sometimes it seems like a waste of material, but if you want 9.5 foot lengths for some oddball job that you're doing, you may have to cut 12s so that it has something to rest on at the end of that cut. And then when you're done, you'll have to take the excess off when you're building. The only way around that would be, and we do offer this and lots of owners do this, is to add another bunk to the mill. And that's the whole reason we're a component system, is it's super easy to modify the machine to fit your needs. So if you know you're going to be working with 9s or 11s or whatever the oddball length is, even shorter ones, you know, you can get right down to 3 feet. I got a lot of guys that are turners and wood bowl workers that work with these really small pieces. You can modify the machine so that the material sits evenly on those bunks when you're working with it, okay? So that should help you get away from the stray bells and flares on your cuts.